David, we're here back at ISCAR UK's brand new headquarters. So, how's it progressing?
It's progressed quite a lot since you were here last. The outside is now, as you can see, finished, and we've still got a lot of work to do inside. A lot of obviously furniture, FF&E, AV equipment, that sort of stuff going in. But it's progressing well.
You must be raring to go. So, when do you think you'll get the keys? When will you get to move in?
Approximately middle of the year, June, July time is roughly where we are at the moment. But yeah, it's just like I said. A building can be finished quite easily, but finishing the inside is a bit of a job. So we've got a lot of work to do.
But exciting times ahead, because once you do get in and once you do get up and running, that must be exciting.
Oh God, yeah, we can't wait. We can't wait. It's we're just so keen to get back in and show everybody what we've created here. And that's, for the market, for customers, but for our own people as well. Our own people have now been and seen the place. We brought everybody around a couple of weeks ago, and I was thrilled with what people thought, because that was a big thing.
So, what were some of the reactions you got from your staff seeing this?
As you can probably imagine, just pure, from what they were used to we had before to what we've got now. Just excitement, can't wait to get back in. Can't come in now, but unfortunately he wasn't ready, so he won't be ready for a while. But no, it's just really excitement.
Now, I just want to go back to something you just said about what you'll be able to offer customers when they come here. Mm-hmm. Now, you've got a new lecture theatre. Mm-hmm. Now, you had a lecture theatre before.
Yeah.
So what does this new one bring to customers who come here?
I think the easiest way of answering that is, one, a better comfortable environment. That's the first thing. More modern seating. The AV equipment inside it is, really top dollar. We haven't messed about. It's very high level, but I think it's like any lecture theatre. It's there to provide content. It's there to provide content for whatever we want to use that for, but we've stretched it even further by being able to send feed from wherever in the building back to the lecture theatre, from the machine live cutting straight into the lecture theatre, from whatever training room into the lecture theatre. So it'll be streamed right over the building.
But that must give you a lot more opportunities as well to be able to do that. Like you said, if you can stream from the machine shop into the lecture theatre, you can actually, instead of just look at this PowerPoint, this tool can do this, you can actually show customers what it can do as well.
Of course. Well, we've been using PowerPoint for 30 years. PowerPoint can get a little bit dull. So it's taking it to the next stage and give our people and our customers especially a more immersive experience, rather than just a one-dimensional, here's a PowerPoint.
And it's not just the lecture theatre as well. You're actually bringing a training room. Mm-hmm. So tell me about what customers can expect if they come here for training as well.
Same as the lecture theatre. The same spec of AV, same spec of equipment, same IT levels, same machines being beamed up into the feed sent to the training room. We can stream from it, we can record from it. Cameras front, forward facing, back facing, everything.
So customers are going to get an all-round experience when they come here now.
Yeah.
And you're going to be able to offer a lot more and a lot different aspects to customers than other people with tech centres, because you've got so many different aspects a machinist or members of staff will need.
Yeah, I think I said this before. There's many of our competitors have tech centres and nice facilities, and that's great for the industry. What we have to do is think a little bit outside the box and go, okay, well, what can we do different? And also, what do we do different from what we had before? And that's super important. Otherwise, what's the point? And I think that's the great thing of it. So we've spent a lot of time developing the processes with, just ourselves, with third parties helping us with technology and how we can do our vision and bring that to life. And we've done that.
And I love how that's the way you're going. It's not what we're doing now is fine and we can carry on. It's what's the next step? How can we get better? What can we bring more customers, and how can we get more customers here to showcase what we can do? So what would you like customers, at the end of the day, once they've been here and they've seen everything you guys can do, what would you like a customer to be able to take away from their experience here?
I think that's every customer's will be different. We need to provide a facility and service that each individual customer has been tailored for. So it's not just come and have a look. Here's a lovely building. Look at the interior we've got. It's more, what do you want? What do you want to see? How do you want to do it? You know, we've planned an initial phase of what the building will do. I think, but it'll change all the time, because with the equipment that we've purchased and invested in, will allow us to change constantly. So it's not just going to be, oh, I've been to ISCAR once, I don't need to go again. It'll be, I've been to ISCAR, now what are they going to do next?
When can I go back?
Yeah, absolutely.
And
yeah.
I think with the wide range of equipment you will have, the training centre, the lecture theatre, it just gives a customer a whole round experience as well. It's not just, oh, I'm going there to watch a machine run, I'm going there for a bit of training. No, you can get the whole experience.
Yep.
And if you have more than one problem, well, we can sort of solve them all here.
Yeah, it was always my goal that when people arrived at the building, they went, wow, that's a facility. But when they left, they went, oh my life, that was incredible.
Well, I have to say, just from the first time we came to now, the difference is astonishing. It looks, when you come round this corner and you just see the reception,
Yeah.
I know what you were saying earlier, this is your favourite view. And I think it's going to be a lot of people's favourite view, if I'm honest.
Yeah.
So just to finish this off, what would you like to get across to the industry about, are you guys, we're here, we're open for business, let's go?
Yeah, we're, like I said, it's I wish I could show you today, but it's not finished. Sort of middle of the year, we'll be opening the doors, and I can't wait to show people this building, and then they can see exactly what we've invested in for our customer and for the industry, and we just can't wait.
Well, David, I can't talk about the whole industry. I can talk for myself, and I am really excited for that moment. I can't wait to see what you guys get up to inside, and I wish you all the luck.
Thank you.
Now, thank you for your time. From me and everyone at MTD, thank you so much.
No problem, thanks.